Oscar, today we're going to remove the hydraulic arms, and to do that there's a bolt at the back here, castellated nut. We're going to remove that. We also need to remove these, they're called knuckles.
How will we do that?
Well, if you look here, there's a little split pin. So we're going to pop that split pin out, and then we're going to bash this pin out, and hopefully it'll come out. They're normally quite tough, so we'll have to see how we go.
Yeah.
Once we get these off and get both of those off, then we're going to jack the tractor up, and we're going to remove the two back wheels.
Okay.
And I want to get into the brakes and see what condition the brakes are in. Okay, you going to help?
Maybe.
Maybe again. You think you're a joker. Okay, the first thing we're going to do also is get the split pin out.
Okay.
And to do that, we have to straighten it. You see how it's bent over?
Yeah.
So we're going to straighten those legs out.
Okay. Get my hammer. Can I do one?
Yep. If you bang the other side, I'll hold this side. So we need to bang it, not play with it.
Oh,
It's
hit the
fine,
axle.
alright, just...
Okay.
Okay, come this side and bang this side.
It's hard to get in there. Oh, hit it again. I can't do it.
Okay, give it to me, please. It's almost straight now. And for the last little bit, we can just use some pliers, hopefully. See how that pops up?
Okay.
And then we should be able to pull it out.
I can try using mine.
Oh, then. Just grab it like that and twist it out. No, no. Grab it like this
Okay.
and twist it out. While pulling, yeah? Pulling up.
Yeah, I am.
No?
No, I think it's a bit bent. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'll get that.
Now, see if you can bang that pin out. No. 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 Okay, I think what we need to do, we actually need to change the order. We're going to take the wheels off, take the mudguards off, and then we'll be able to get to this pins much more easily. Okay?
Okay.
Tell me again, Oscar.
So we use the wood block in the middle so that the metal pieces don't get damaged. Can I do it?
So you're jacking it up now, right?
So we're jacking it up and we're going to try and lift the back of the tractor up. Hopefully I can do it with my strength.
And the important thing is that we've got the front wheels chopped, so the tractor can't roll away.
Okay.
Yeah. I can hear wood cracking.
That's fine, so keep going. Keep going.
It's getting quite hard.
Okay, stop there. We're just going to loosen the wheel nut.
Take it. No, just more. Yeah. So that thing can take 2 ton.
Okay.
So we're okay. It's okay. We've got a little bit of slack.
Yeah, no, that's 27.
Okay.
Right, so we'll use that one.
27 to the rescue! So we're going to be using 27.
Which is not the right size, but it does work.
Yeah, it's got a little bit of slack. You can like turn it like that with your fingers when they're really tight. So
Those are loose. Let's do the other side.
now onto the other side. And then the wheel is off. Dun, dun, dun. In the bag. It's coming off.
Okay, so, and this comes off the weight may change.
And there we are. No wheel. I'll help.
Just take it over the tractor, okay, Oscar?
Yeah. Need some help?
You come back, come this side so I know where you are. Come on the other side of me.
And those are going to become the wheels
So Daddy's lowering it
in a
now,
minute. Yeah.
so it will sit on there.
And that's an oil one, so it goes from chamber to chamber. I don't know how it pushes the thing up, but I know it works on the wheel. And you're pumping the
You're
oil.
talking about the jack, right?
Yeah, the jack.
In theory, I should have taken this one off the ground, but it doesn't look like it has.
It's nearly, yeah.
Okay, we've got both wheels off now and the tractor is stable. So now, Oscar, what we're going to do is take the mudguards off.
Yeah.
And they're real simple. It's just these 2 bolts over here. And then they lift off the top. So we'll just loosen those. get that off. Hopefully they'll come off reasonably easily. I just need to find the right socket for them.
Wow.
So I don't have the right size spanner for this, so we're going to use the universal spanner. And it's turning at the top here. So I need you to hold that. Pull it towards you.
So just pull it towards me.
Yeah, just to resist my turning. Can you do it?
I'm trying. I can't.
Okay, alright, that's fine, okay. So now what we'll do is push it up against the frame, and that should, you just hold it there, but don't let it pinch your hands, okay?
That should tighten against the frame.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, that's tight.
A lot of pressure on
Silly question, right? But you are going the right way.
Yeah.
Okay. Just thought I'd check.
No, no.
Ah!
That's why I couldn't understand why this. No. What an idiot. Sorry.
That's my contribution to the tractor rebuild.
Yeah.
Dad.
I thought I had this set right. I couldn't understand why I had it the wrong way around. Okay, just going to go that way now. Hold it there, please. Well done. Okay.
I was like, you aren't going the right way, are you? When you asked that question, Mum.
I just wonder because Daddy was finding it so tight, although it still looks
And
pretty
he was
tight this
actually
way.
tightening it.
Doesn't look much better going this way.
That's because I can't get a good angle on it at the moment.
Yeah.
But it is tight, and it should be. So I'm not surprised.
Except it would have been even tighter because you were tightening it.
Okay,
And this is
that's
the
not
wheel.
working. So now I need more leverage on that. So what I'm going to do is put a pipe on it.
This thing is stuck still.
Okay.
Okay, we add a pipe here, Oscar, and that gives me more leverage.
Yeah.
Yeah, it gives me a bit more power. There we go. That's all it needed.
Yay! Everyone's happy.
Alright, you should be able to pull yours now. Pull it towards you.
Can a little bit, yeah.
Okay.
And the mudguard is...
Now the interesting thing here, I don't know why, but they put two spring washers on the nut, or with the nut. I don't think that's right. There should be. I think there should be one on top here and one on the bottom. So somebody's put that on the wrong way. I think. Because I don't see any. There's no. Having two spring washers doesn't make it any less likely to turn.
Hey!
Take those nuts out, please. I mean the bolts. Take the bolts out.
They look like nuts, don't they?
No, nuts is the other side of it.
I
Right,
know
put
they
those
look
down.
like it on the top, though.
Okay. So Oscar, we can see that this mudguard came off the other side, right?
Yeah.
And to me, it looks like this one, which we're about to take off, has been repaired at some point. Do you see the difference? How this one has a frame here, and this one doesn't. We can also see that that's not entirely lining up 100% correctly. And we can see somebody's been doing some welding here. And we've got a cross piece in here that we don't have in here. So I suspect this is the original one. And this is one that was probably damaged at some point, and somebody's made a repair job on it. They made this frame here and welded, or rather bolted it onto the top part of this. You see you've got this here. So this bottom frame here section has been replaced at some point on this one. So we need to have a look. We'll get closer. We know we've got some rust damage here. So we'll have to see if we can repair that. Otherwise we may have to replace the camshaft.
Also,
Mm-hmm.
can you stop it?
Sure.
The funny thing is, even though that one's been repaired, we haven't got any corrosion. Well, we've got a little bit here.
Much less than on that one though, eh?
Yeah. So I'm going to whack this out. Well, try. No, nothing.
Oh yeah, that's very good. Okay, these pins are very, very tight. They're going to have to be heated to release these knuckles. So we're going to leave that for today and move on to the brakes and basically remove the brakes and see what condition they are in. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. In the next video we'll be removing the brake drums and checking out the condition of the brakes. Join us.